Folding clothes. Folding clothes is one of those self-care tasks that is deeply connected to help children to learn to take pride in ownership and develop a sense of personal responsibility. The more they practice, the more confident they become. Folding clothes keep the clothes wrinkle and crease-free. Folding clothes also encourages the child in an activity that promotes fine and gross muscle movement, following directions, counting, sequencing, and grouping of items. Folding clothes may involve folding a handkerchief, t-shirt, shirt, and pants. Let us see how we can teach your child to fold clothes. Material required: cardboard, cutter, napkin, t-shirt. For handkerchief and napkin, give one handkerchief to your child and have one for yourself. Ask the child to place the handkerchief on the floor. Now hold both ends on the bottom side of the handkerchief and show the child how to make it up to the above two ends. Let the child follow and do the same. Once that is done, ask the child to take two ends from the right and flip it to the ends on the left side. Initially, assist the child in meeting the ends of the handkerchief and napkin and gradually let them do it on their own. For a t-shirt, take a cardboard sheet and cut it into 6 equal parts rectangles. Now lay the cardboard cutouts on the floor with 3 pieces on top and 3 below them. Stick the 3 pieces of the upper row with sellotape at all the edges of the cardboard cutouts on both sides. Now place the t-shirt on the cardboard and show the child how to fold the t-shirt on it. Firstly, ask the child to flip each side of the cardboard towards the middle so that the sides and sleeves of the t-shirt are folded. Next, ask the child to flip the bottom side of the cardboard and the bottom of the t-shirt will also be folded, meeting the upper edge. Looks easy, right? Encourage the child to sit with you while you are folding clothes and let him observe. Give the cardboard sheet to the child and give one garment at a time to the child to fold. Assist the child in folding clothes when required. Encouraging the child when he clears small milestones works great during training.